Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the charts of Euro USD and GBP USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the hourly chart of Euro USD in front of us, and Euro USD and GBP USD did pretty well yesterday. Our levels did a nice job. Right now we can see Euro USD trading around 1.1077. This is the current market price. So let's look at the market sentiment first. Dollar pressured by jumbo Fed rate cut. Dollar drops as weak US economic news fuels Fed rate cut expectations. This is the ongoing market sentiment. And if we look at the DXY, okay, we can see that DXY was trading around 102 level, but there have been a considerable drop, and right now dollar index is trading around 101.3. We discussed about this support, and we can see right now DXY is standing at the support, but DXY or US dollar index doesn't have the strength to go up. And as we all know, tomorrow is very important because of the NFP, and usually before a major event like NFP, market doesn't move much. So if market falls further or DXY falls further, still we can expect the support of 100.50 to work, or market should not break this. But if DXY breaks 101.30, the next support will be around 100.90. This is the next support on the chart of DXY, or we can expect that market will survive above this before NFP. But in the worst case scenario also, 100.5 should be working as a support. I don't think so DXY will be going to 100.5 before the NFP. And today if DXY tries to recover also, we can expect DXY to receive some dynamic resistance around this particular area where 101.60, 101.50. So we can expect DXY to stay in this range only. But keep in mind, DXY is not very positive. Okay, do not expect big candles here. And during the US session, we have many news coming up. If that brings volatility in the market, then obviously try to follow the trend. For example, if you see that there is a big red candle on DXY, then obviously you need to take a buy on Euro USD GBP no matter what level you get. Because when fundamentals run the market, we traders can survive only by following the trend of the market, not by standing against it. Okay, now let's look at the chart of Euro USD. So yesterday our level of 1.1092 did pretty well. Today we have two levels. Okay, two levels where we can look for a sell on the chart of Euro USD. The first level is around 1.1114 to 15. This area here you can see this is our next FIBO level, FIBO 50% retracement level, and the second selling opportunity may come around 1.1135 to 40. This yellow line here, which is our FIBO 61.8% retracement level, along with that we have resistance around this area. So in this market situation, if market goes up, volume should not be high except news. We can definitely expect reversal. If market shows price ejection from above, we can go for a sell position. But do not place sell position blindly. Keep in mind, okay, we are traders, not gamblers. And if market starts falling, or if market surprises us with heavy selling pressure, market goes down, then we can look for next support to be around 1.1000 to 1.1090. This is the next support on the chart of Euro USD. 1.1000 is a round number, so this will definitely play the role of a psychological level. Okay, so be careful at the time of news. If market is very volatile, follow the trend of the market. But if you see market is going up with not much volume, then we can look for a reversal trades. Clear? Okay, now let's look at the chart of GBP USD. So this is our setup on GBP USD. We have a similar scenario, similar picture here as well. So yesterday GBP USD reversed for 1.3175 our level. So today we have two levels here on GBP USD as well. 1.3195 to 1.3200. This is our first resistance, and second resistance is around 1.32 25. These are the two levels where we can look for a sell position. Here also same stuff. If DXY starts falling crazily, then obviously you need to follow a trend of the market. These levels will not work. But if you see GBP USD is going up, if the size of the candles remain like this, then obviously we can look for a sell position. And here also we can look for a buy around 1.3035 as a day trader. Okay, so whatever we have discussed are solely for day traders only, because this is not the ideal time, right time for swing or positional trades because of the upcoming NFP. NFP, CPI, okay, FOMC, these things provide direction to the market. So swing traders, positional traders should jump in when the direction of the market is clear. Okay, but when market is expecting a direction from a particular news, then swing traders, positional traders should stay wide. This is an ideal or typical day traders market. That's it. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. If I have missed anything, please write down in the comment section. I would love to learn. After all, we are all learners. Thank you so much, my dear friends. Bye bye. Take care.